Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. I'm in my kitchen right now. But today's video is going to be a winter night routine, and so it's more like vlog style because I'm pretty much just gonna like vlog it. Vlog me in my night and Jenny, and we're gonna do some Christmassy things and all that stuff because it's Christmas time. So yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, turn those bell notification, click the bell for the notifications, all that stuff. Okay, let's do night routine things. I don't really know, we're just gonna like pretty much vlog the rest of my night. Ugh. Yay, look at our tree. It's so cute. Much Christmas. Very Christmas. Let's make cookies. What are you doing?
Damn it. It only does like half of the translation.
Oh.
Where's your daughter going with some friends?
Are you doing Spanish homework?
God damn.
I'm gonna preheat the oven. So, also here's our stuffed freezer. I went to Target and I was like, we need cookies. We also still have leftover cookies. Those are probably bad by now. Don't know what this is. My kitchen is messy, you know, it's life. I went to Target and, you know, saw these, and these are just like a given. And then also, just because I love food, also got normal chocolate chip cookies. So we're gonna have ourselves a cookie party. It's gonna be a blast. And watch a Christmas movie or something, because now we're both, well, normal classes ended and finals and everything, and Jenny's just taking like a Spanish class through one of like the community colleges for credit over winter break. So yeah, we can just like chillax. But I'm gonna preheat the oven and we're gonna have ourselves a wintry, Christmassy little roomy date night thing, whatever. Yeah. So we are in the process, you can't really see the TV, hello, but you can see me, of picking out a Christmas movie. It's this new Netflix Christmas movie called The Princess Switch. You can't see anything on this TV with the lighting. With Vanessa Hudgens. Do we want to watch that? Or The Grinch? Ooh, there we go. I'm actually really excited that The Grinch is on here. I didn't think The Grinch was on here.
I know.
I was about to like go buy it on DVD or something. What should we watch? This one? When a down-to-earth Chicago baker and a soon-to-be princess discover they look like twins, they hatch a Christmas time plan to trade places.
I'll probably like it.
Let's watch it. Sweet! Should we set up our cookies? I think the oven's preheated. I can like smell it. We got a pizza pan.
Definitely going for the chocolate.
I'm excited. Here's the cookies that we're using. I'm like, tutorial.
Oh. I don't think I've ever had Pillsbury version.
I know, I was trying to find Nestle, but I couldn't find that because I like Nestle a lot. But...
You know that's from?
No. Wait, what?
In Friends, when they like the cookie episode where like Phoebe has like this great cookie recipe and then it ends up being Nestle Toll House cookies.
Yeah.
And she's like, oh, my grandmother said it's Nestle Toll House. She's like, Nestle Toll House? You spray?
I don't think you need to spray it.
Are you sure?
On grease.
Oh. Damn. How do I do? Here you go.
Cheers.
Woo woo.
It's a little soft. Love cookie.
Here we go.
You know, I was thinking about you.
Woo.
Cookies are being cooked. Christmas.
Wait, Chicago.
Chicago.
Really get frozen over like that?
I'm from there.
Come back soon.
Vanessa Hudgens. So I forgot about the cookies. They're not burnt. They're just extra golden. Oops.
Technical difficulties.
The bottoms are probably burnt. Oh, a little bit. We got some hockey pucks. Oh, this one's good. Whoops.
These are good.
Those ones are good?
I'm gonna take these off.
Oh yeah, so they don't keep cooking. Good idea. Whoopsie.
Fail.
Absolute fail. But are we surprised? Not really.
We got distracted by the movie.
By the super corny movie.
But it's cute.
It is cute. A little cheese, but cute. These don't look bad. Oh yeah. Wow, this looks picture perfect. The tray, the like plate of like cookies to the top. Gets Christmas.
So good. I need milk.
Oh, milk.
Milk.
That'd be so good. Okay, I'm gonna pause real quick and wash my face. So my bathroom has like nowhere where I could set my camera for it to be like a nice view or anything of me like washing my face. So I'm just gonna wash my face because I assume you guys know what it looks like when someone washes their face. But I use the Simple Foaming Cleanser. I've been using this forever. I love it. It's the GOAT. Yeah, I'm just gonna wash my face since it's like after 8 o'clock at night. And we're just kind of winding down and eating cookies and watching movies. So now since we don't really have school, this is our night routine. Just get home from work. Maybe not always cookies. If we made cookies every night, we'd probably be like 30 pounds heavier right now. But they are really good. The chocolate chip ones didn't burn, so those ones survived. But yeah, I would take my contacts out, you know, throw that in here. But I need to see, and if I do vlog more, my glasses, nice. They'll just give a glare, and like that's not cute for the vlog. Jenny keeps burping.
I think I had like 4 cookies already, but I kind of.
Jenny's going in on the cookies, and she threw a face mask on. Yes, nightly routine in full effect. Skincare is key.
I literally put this on every night.
We love. She like actually does put this mask on every single night.
Fucking face.
It's amazing. Night and light, life in the night, night in the life. What are words? I don't know. Of Jen and Sid during Christmas time.
We should have like a song that plays.
Every time it's like us. Oh my gosh!
Oh no, we're gonna get bugs. Wait, I don't think any of them fell in the crack, but there's crumbs.
Oh my goodness.
Don't put it on.
Oh wait, yeah, I guess. We were just, I'm putting that in the vlog.
Back. Oh fuck. We're gonna get.
Do we have a we don't own a vacuum. We don't own a vacuum. We were just trying to get a thumbnail for this vlog, and
Maybe a wet paper towel
and like dab.
It's the like
We were just trying to get a thumbnail for the thing, and we dropped the plate of cookies into the couch.
You figured this out.
Day in the life.
We just really, they don't want to eat the cookies.
Yeah, the cookies are just not in the plans for tonight.
They don't want to eat cookies.
The world doesn't want us to eat cookies. So, the movie just ended. It was very cheesy, but it was like cute. It was
High School Musical.
Yeah, it was like cute, like a cheesy cute, but
It was
yeah,
good.
that's our review.
Yeah.
You know,
Cheesy cute.
cheesy cute. It's a cheesy cute movie. But yeah, Jenny washed her face mask off. I am going to brush my teeth and take my contacts out, and then I need to edit a video. And then I'm gonna go to bed. The cookies are still alive.
A little hard.
Kind of alive. They sound like hockey pucks.
Okay, we're just gonna wrap up.
Fine, it's fine. Okay, so that is it for this night routine. I'm just going to brush my teeth, take my contacts out, and edit my video, as I said before. So yeah, that's just gonna happen in like rapid speed. But I hope you guys like this video in like a little vlog version, so it's just like more realistic and whatnot. Jenny's over here taking a Tylenol. PM, we about to pass out. This is our night. This is our nightly routines. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and follow us on Instagram. But yeah, Merry Christmas, and turn those notifications on so you can keep up with me and my little version of Vlogmas that I am doing. Yeah, love you. Good night. Bye.